How cool can your garage be? Basically, the purpose of a garage is to stash your vehicles. What else can you do with it? Well, there are certain inventions that can make your garage look better. Here are some 14 cool inventions that can make your eyes glow. 1. Portable Bluetooth speaker. The Marshall Stockwell 2 speaker could serve as your go-to partner when you want to have some fun out in the garage. Over 20 hours of gameplay are offered by this acclaimed outdoor Bluetooth speaker on a single charge. You can even position your smartphone or other device up to 30 feet away with Bluetooth 5.0. 2. Portable emergency hub. You don't want to be stumbling around in the dark in your garage during an emergency. The Bodyguard's portable 5-in-1 emergency hub should be kept nearby as a result. The gadget has an integrated FM radio that continues to play even when Wi-Fi and mobile signals are weak, as well as a battery bank for your smartphone or other electronic gadgets. 3. Indoor grill. You can enjoy the benefits of grilling indoors with the Ninja Foodie Smart XL indoor grill without having to brave the outdoors. 4. Large capacity handheld vac. With the sleek ProScenic 3-in-1 handheld cordless vacuum, you can keep your car and garage clean. This portable vacuum weighs just 1.39 pounds and measures less than 17 inches long, making it simple to operate in small areas. Many handheld vacuums, especially car vacuums, are bulky. Because of the big size of the trash can, you won't need to stop frequently to empty it. 5. Security camera. Motion is immediately detected by the Tenvis 2-pack home security camera at your garage door and elsewhere within. The camera may be set up on a shelf or fixed on a wall or ceiling. It features automatic night vision to detect burglars in the dark and two-way audio so you can speak to anyone who enters the garage in addition to being able to see them. 6. Portable carpet cleaner. There are instances when vacuuming is not enough for your automobile. Thankfully, it includes the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner. This little version of one of the greatest carpet cleaners can get rid of the difficult stains from the carpet and upholstery of your automobile. 7. Noise cancellation headphones. Grab your Sounds noise-canceling headphones when you'd rather keep your music to yourself and block out other noises in the garage. Active noise-canceling technology and over-ear design and crystal-clear music are all provided wirelessly through Bluetooth by a graphene driver. You can spend days between charges thanks to the 30-hour battery life. 8. Commercial-grade shelving. Where are you going to put all of the nice new things you got for your garage then? Of course, on your similarly stylish Seville Classics ultra-durable commercial-grade chrome steel shelving. This durable piece, which was chosen as one of our top choices for garage shelving, will give your garage an industrial feel. It may be set up on locking wheels or leveling feet, making it simple to relocate as necessary. 9. Cordless Stick Vac. The Kaival V20 Cordless Stick Vacuum is a 6-in-1 option if you want a full-size vacuum that can also travel around the cargo space of your car and reach farther behind the seats. Its long wand can reach dust and debris on the tops of the shelves and other high spots in your garage, in addition to cleaning the carpets and seats of your automobile. 10. Toolbox Mini Fridge. A toolkit, that is. A refrigerator, it is. Both apply. The Winter Portable 1.8 cubic feet 17-inch Toolbox refrigerator is made of hardly stainless steel that has been powder coated. This little refrigerator can store a large number of cans and bottles and save you from having to go back and forth to the house each time you want a cold beverage. 11. Portable projector. You can project information from your tablet, laptop, or smartphone onto the wall or ceiling with the Vankio Leisure 530W native 1080p portable projector, and the image will be razor sharp and up to 4 times larger than a conventional 60-inch TV. 12. Stylish storage container. An elegant substitute is the Rubbermaid Brilliance 24-piece storage set. The containers, which appear to be made of glass, are really composed of sturdy Triton plastic. They are made to endure. A range of stackable small and medium-sized containers are included in the set. 13. Cooler with a built-in thermometer. The Sportneer 25-quart cooler, which will keep 20 pounds of ice cold for up to 5 days and hold up to 30 beverage cans. It is strong and resistant to breakage, damage, gaps, and the occasional stray animal thanks to its roto-molded polyethylene frame. 14. Matte steel touch trash can. If you're still using one of those cheap, ugly plastic trash cans, upgrading to the Brabantia matte steel fingerprint-proof trash can will give your garage an instant makeover. If you enjoyed watching our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts in the comment section.